Hello everyone, so this is Cocktail Lifestyle Exhibition happening at Seema Hall for 3 days, today, tomorrow and the day after, that is 25th, 26th and 27th of April. काफ़ी प्यारा कलेक्शन है, 70 प्लस एग्जिबिटर्स है, तो आपको काफ़ी कलेक्शन मिल जाएगा समर वेयर के लिए, फेस्टिव वेयर के लिए, वेडिंग कलेक्शन भी है, ज्वेलरी ऑप्शंस है, बैग कलेक्शन है. So it's a very huge exhibition. Come down here very quick. और कलेक्शन देखने के लिए you can swipe left. Check out this heavy piece. It's perfect for your wedding looks. So ये जो section है, if you want to take it on rent, तो rent option भी available है. Buy तो कर ही सकते हैं, लेकिन साथ में you can take these pieces on rent as well. Beautiful collection. Check this out. If you're a bridesmaid, क्लोज फ्रेंड्स की शादी है, घर की शादी है, तो उसके लिए काफ़ी सारा कलेक्शन है. चेक दिस आउट, अमेजिंग. वाइट में भी ऑप्शन है, समथिंग लाइक दिस, वेरी प्रिटी. चेक दिस आउट. एंड डिस्प्ले पे भी कुछ पीसेस आप देख सकते हैं. काफ़ी सारा कलेक्शन है.
बहुत स्मार्ट पीस, प्योर हैंडवर्क में रहेगा.
प्योर हैंडवर्क है. Then if you want some western fits for your party wear and evening wear, you have such pretty collection. One shoulder dresses and sleeveless options like this, ombre shade में, something like this. And if you want something heavy, then they have huge options for these kind of dresses. Check this out. All long gowns for your parties. Beautiful. Then we have pretty cord sets like this. Check this out. Perfect for summers with beautiful prints and work. Something like this. Again, cord sets. Kurtis. Perfect for the summer. This gives a denim look. And then something like this with cute detailing. Then we have bag collection as well. Check this out. This cute mobile covers, something like this, cute little pouches, a lot of options for that. And then we have tote bags, laptop bags. Okay, these are laptop bags, very pretty. Check this out, something like this.
ये tote bag है.
Okay, this is a tote bag, something like this. Beautiful. A huge range for your bags, and then they've got keychains as well, something like this. These are glass straps, jewelry options, and then we have something like this, very pretty. Check this out, something for your festive and semi-festive looks. Something in casual. Check this out. Got such pretty bracelets. Something like this. Perfect for your western wear. Neck pieces like this. Very pretty collection. Pendants as well. Earrings. Again, check this out. Very cute pendants. Earrings and chokers. Then we have pretty cord sets like this. Check this out. Perfect for summers with beautiful prints and work. Something like this. Again, cord sets. Kurtis. Perfect for the summer. This gives a denim look. And then something like this with cute detailing. Check this out. Got such pretty bracelets. Something like this. Perfect for your western wear. Neck pieces like this. Very pretty collection. Pendants as well. Earrings. Again, check this out. Very cute pendants. Earrings and chokers. Then we have pretty cord sets like this. Check this out. Perfect for summers with beautiful prints and work. Something like this. Again, cord sets. Kurtis. Perfect for the summer. This gives a denim look. And then something like this with cute detailing. And some pieces for your heavy festive looks. Check this out. अगर summer weddings आ रही है, कोई festivities आ रही है, तो yes, this is the collection. Very pretty. Something like this. All different and unique pieces. Comes with a sharara. Yellow में अगर आपको चाहिए हल्दी functions के लिए. Something like this. And then for your mehendi functions. A beautiful piece. Check this out. Amazing. The entire collection of cotton and festive wear. Then we've got saris. These are all designer saris. Check this out. Beautiful collection for saris. Pretty prints. Check this out. These are all the options for saris. Then we have beautiful sari options. These are in mull cotton, perfect for summers. Not just this, they have a huge range of saris. Check this out. Mull cotton में available है, linen में available है. Beautiful. Then something like this in tissue if you want. Like this. Check this out. Beautiful sarees in tissues as well. Color options are available. Beautiful blouse options भी मिल जाएंगे. Then cotton collection. Watch, wrist watches अगर आपको चाहिए. A huge collection. Sunglasses available. Then we have mukwas section. These are all very healthy options. Beautiful. Check this out. ये सब भी available है. This section that you see is all handmade and it's made by the deaf and dumb people, the Society of Deaf and Dumb People. And if you shop from this stall, the entire collection will go there to help the people there. Some
Silenced.
Yes. Got bags, something like this. Very pretty. And then we have some collection for your cotton wear. Check this out.
ड्रेस में बताऊँ दीदी कॉटन में हैवी में
And you want something in festive and semi-festive looks. So a lot of collection. Something like this. These are all 2-piece sets and 3-piece sets. Very pretty. Entire cotton collection. Summers के लिए very appropriate. There are some cute tops like this, perfect for your summer wear. One pieces. It's very lightweight and airy. Something like this if you want, with pretty sleeves and collar. And then this is amazing. So they've got a huge range for one pieces, perfect for your summer season. Then we've got hair accessories. Check this out. Something like this. Scrunchies, these kind of clutches, bracelets. Then they've got cotton collection. Beautiful, check this out.